Still in Clarendon, residents and the stakeholders in Hayes and the surrounding communities are asking Jamaica to address a dust and mud nuisance in the area. More in this report from Dwayne Anderson.
In parts of southeastern and central Clarendon, a dirty situation is developing, literally. The problem stems from this incident weeks ago when a Jamaica train derailed.
A Jamaica train derailed in the vicinity of Rhymesbury, and as a result they are now using the major thoroughfare as far as from Tollgate to the refinery here in Hayes to transport the bauxite. And as a result it has left on the roadway red dirt or red mud in some instances.
On dry days, residents have to battle a dust nuisance, while on rainy days, motorists are left with muddy red vehicles. Taxi operators are particularly affected because they have to traverse the route multiple times per day.
It compromises the safety of the motor vehicle, the traveling public at large, because there's a lot of bauxite deposit, a bauxite residue on the road. This road is used by thousands of vehicles per day, and the amount of bauxite that is on the road, even when the company claims that they're washing the road, it makes it even worse. When the rain falls, it compromises the safety of the traveling public. So we need to have something done about it.
Councillor for the Hayes Division, C.N. Barneswell, believes the situation has created other hazards.
It is even very slippery, and it's a safety hazard for the motoring public. Recently we had 2 accidents in the vicinity of one of their runoff pond area, close to the Jamaica Sport Complex. Luckily no life was lost, but persons suffer as it relates to repairs to the damage caused by that accident. So I'm appealing to Jamaica that what they are now doing need to change. It cannot continue as is. It's now almost 4 weeks of it.
He says he has written to the company about the concerns.
So I'm saying to Jamaica, what needs to be done on either side, they need to remove that buildup of silt. So whenever the truck wash the road, and I don't mean just spraying the water, but you need somebody out there with a power hose to wash away the backside to the side drains or for it to run freely off the roadway. And that will better alleviate the problem residents are facing.
When I contacted the company's management, it said it will continue to wash the material from the road as well as from their trucks to help reduce the dust and mud in the area. The company's leadership added that the trucking of material is likely to end soon and is therefore asking residents for patience until that time. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.